Hi, today we will discuss about castor oil benefits. We will discuss how castor oil can solve these 9 health problems. Even these issues have been with you for years. We will also discuss how to apply correctly to get maximum results. This is a simple solution with incredible healing powers. Let's get started. Number 1, apply on cracked heels. You can apply castor oil on the heels to treat cracked heels and dry feet. Castor oil is a powerful natural remedy for dealing with cracked heels and dryness. Its rich, thick consistency helps to deeply moisturize the skin, making it softer and smoother. The best part, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply spray a few drops of castor oil onto the affected area of your heels and massage it gently. The oil penetrates deep into the skin, locking in moisture and promoting healing. For optimal results, try this before bedtime. After spraying and massaging, put on a pair of clean cotton socks. This not only keeps the oil in place but also allows it to work its magic overnight. When you wake up in the morning, you will notice how much softer and more hydrated your feet are. Number 2, spraying castor oil on eyebrows. Apply castor oil on the eyebrows to boost thickness. Many of us notice as we age our thinning eyebrows, whether it's from overplucking, hormonal changes, or just the natural aging process. Eyebrows can lose their fullness. But there is an old secret: castor oil can enhance the thickness of your eyebrows. Castor oil is rich in essential fatty acids and proteins with vitamin E, all of which help nourish hair follicles and promotes healthy growth. When you apply it to your eyebrows, it nourishes and stimulates the follicles, leading to fuller eyebrows. Over time, you might not see results immediately, but with regular use, you will start noticing a change in those areas. Use it before bedtime. Spray a small amount of castor oil onto a clean cotton swab or your fingertip. Gently dab the oil onto your eyebrows, focusing on areas that need volume. Massage lightly. Using it every night will give your eyebrows the nourishment they need. Number 3, applying on navel area. Spraying castor oil on the navel to boost immunity. You might find this surprising, but our belly button can actually play a role in our health. Old remedies have emphasized applying oils, especially castor oil, to the navel area. The belly button is linked to many nerves in the body, and castor oil, known for its healing properties, can help stimulate these nerves to potentially give a gentle boost to your immune system. Here is how to apply it. Lie down and spray a small amount of castor oil onto your belly button. Gently massage the area in circular motion for a minute or two. The best time is before bedtime, so your body absorbs the oil overnight. Castor oil contains fatty acids like ricinoleic acid, which have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial benefits. While scientific evidence on this practice is limited, many people in traditional medicine believes it makes a difference. Number 4, for dark circles and puffiness. Let's talk about one of the most common beauty concern: those pesky dark circles and under eye bags that seems to creep up, especially as we get older. They can make us look tired even after a good night's sleep. Castor oil could be beneficial for this. A simple spray under the eye can work wonders in reducing puffiness and lightening dark circles. So how does it work? Castor oil is packed with fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. When applied under the eyes, it helps soothe the skin, reducing swelling and calming down unwanted puffiness. Additionally, castor oil is a great moisturizer. The skin under the eyes is delicate and often the first area to show signs of dehydration. By spraying a little castor oil, you are locking in moisture, which not only helps in smoothing out fine lines, but also gradually lightens dark circles. The best time to use castor oil is before bed. Simply spray a tiny amount of castor oil onto your fingertip or a cotton swab, gently dab it under your eyes, Starting from the inner corner and moving outward, some people notice a difference in just a few days, while others may take a couple of weeks, but the key is consistency. Number 5 relieves back pain. Spraying castor oil on the lower back to relieve back pain and muscle tension. Lower back pain can make even simple movement a challenge. Here is a natural trick that might help ease the discomfort. Spraying castor oil on the lower back. Castor oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. By spraying a little on your lower back and massaging gently, you help the oil penetrate deeply, soothing tense muscle and improving blood circulation. The warmth generated from the massaging also enhances the oil's absorption, giving quicker relief. The best time to do this is before bed. You can place a warm towel over the area to help relax the muscle. You will start to notice the difference after a few nights of this routine. Number 6 for hair's growth and dandruff. Hair thinning and loss can be quite bothersome, especially as we age. Luckily, castor oil offers a simple and natural way to address this issue. When applied to the scalp, castor oil helps stimulate hair growth and strengthen the hair follicles. The secret lies in the oil's rich composition of essential fatty acids and vitamin E, which nourishes the scalp and hair roots. By spraying a small amount of castor oil directly onto your scalp, and massaging it gently, you improve blood circulation. To the hair follicles, this increases blood flow, brings more nutrients to the roots, promotes stronger, healthier hair, and even reducing hair loss over time. For the best results, spray a little oil onto the scalp before bedtime and massage it in for a few minutes. Castor oil not only moisturizes the scalp but also targets root cause of dandruff. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid and is known for its antifungal and antibacterial properties. When applied to the scalp, it helps fight off the fungus responsible for dandruff. Number 7 castor oil for chapped lips. Have you ever struggled with chapped lips that just won't go away no matter how much lip balm you use? Well, here is a simple solution. Just a little spray on the lips and you will see the difference. When we age, our lips become more delicate and easily affected by the weather. Whether it's cold winds of winter or harsh summer sun, our lips lose moisture quickly, and unlike the rest of our skin, they don't have oil glands to keep them hydrated. That's where castor oil comes in. It is rich in essential fatty acids and vitamin E, which makes it a fantastic natural moisturizer. Simply spray a drop or two of castor oil onto your fingertip and gently dab it on your lips. The best time to do this is right before bedtime, so you wake up with lips that feel soft and smooth. Number 8 helps in healing. Minor cuts and scrapes are part of life, but they can take longer to heal as we age. Here is where castor oil comes in. This natural oil has been known for its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, which can help speed up the healing process and reduce the risk of infections. So how do you use it? Clean the affected area with water and a mild antiseptic to remove any dirt. Once the area is clean, spray a small amount of castor oil directly onto the cut or scrap. The oil forms a protective layer over the wound, helping to keep out bacteria and dirt while locking in moisture. This creates an ideal environment for healing, as castor oil also contains fatty acids that aid in skin regeneration. For best results, you can apply the oil twice a day. Number 9 for nails health. Weak and brittle nails can be a frustrating problem, especially if they chip or break easily. Castor oil can be an effective natural solution to this issue. Its rich composition of nutrients can nourish your nails, making them stronger and less prone to breakage. Castor oil is packed with vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and proteins that are known to support healthy nail growth. When you spray a small amount of castor oil on your nails and massage it, you are providing them with a protective layer that seals in moisture. This helps prevent them from becoming dry and brittle. Additionally, castor oil penetrates deeply into the nail bed, promoting healthier and faster growth. Use this remedy at night before you go to bed. Spray a little castor oil onto your nails and cuticles. For best results, try to make this a part of your nightly routines. In just a few days, you might notice your nails looking shinier and feeling stronger. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to watch more. Take care. Have a nice day.